In this video, we are going to show you how to build a complete content system in Poppy AI. Now, I get it. It sounds complicated and hard. It's really not. It just makes life easier for you within the Poppy ecosystem, because within the Poppy ecosystem, you can create content without going outside of the website, right? So how do we do this? First, we need to create a new board like so, right? And here you want to, on your left-hand side, hover your mouse here and click on this, which means you're going to create a group like so. And you're just going to name your group, double click on the name and just whatever. For this example, we're going to name it sources. And this is where we're going to paste or put all the information we need for whatever content or video we're going to make, right? So, and then just connect it to the Poppy chat, right? So we have two articles here about ancient Egypt, and if I want to add another source, all we need to do is just hover our mouse here inside the source group and just paste our new one. So for example, we have this new source, which is a documentary from YouTube about ancient Egypt. Now, after this, you can now start creating a script. You can click generate script, right? Doing that. There you go. And it's just going to create the script using the sources we have for the video. And you can also later on generate the title, analyze your brand and voice, and you can actually create imagery for your videos. You don't need to go to another AI tool or service provider. You can just create images to just put spread out across the timeline of your video. You can also create other stuff using, well, the Poppy ecosystem. And after that, all you need to do, if you want to create a new video or new content, all we need to do is just delete all of this, right? Just click on this, press D, right? And then just paste in a new set of sources, right? So, and as you can see here, this is practically our initial script, right? It's about ancient Egypt. It's created that, and you want to start creating, titles. Do so, right? And just wait for it to load. If it's not to your liking, then, well, you can just customize it and tweak it a little bit, and you'll be good to go. So if you are interested in trying out Poppy AI, which is a pretty good tool, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below that we provided. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.